Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. This particular video is actually directed to people who are much more interested in getting online crypto jobs, because this particular job I'll be sharing is more of a campus ambassadorial stuff, just the same way Binance did theirs some time ago, where they employ some students within the campus so that they can serve as their eye in the campus. So that's what Bitget is doing as well, which I'll be sharing with you guys. So now, as you can see, this is the link to Bitget ambassadorial program. So now I will drop the link in the video description section so that you can participate as well. So it's a first come first serve something. That's why I said you should try to to subscribe to this channel and also turn on notifications so that you can always receive notifications as early as possible. So now the earlier the better, as I said, and also don't forget to turn on notification in case of next time as well if you are yet to. So now this is how the link looks like, which I'll drop in the video description section. I'll also drop the referral link to get the Bitget so that you don't get the wrong one. So you get the Bitget to download Bitget and to sign up, then the invitation code will be there as well. So now the next thing you do is you just click next. After you go to the stage, you now go, you can see it will ask you Bitget UID. Now I need to get my Bitget UID. This is my Bitget UID here. That's where you find yours as well, here, just here. So you click it. So once you click it, you go back to your browser, you paste it here, your first name, your last name, email address, your school. So the thing now is, I'm actually not a student, but for the purpose of this, I'll be sharing with you guys. I'll be putting the information. So I'll just put random information. So I can just put any school. So LinkedIn profile. I don't know if you guys have any LinkedIn. If you don't have any LinkedIn, there is no way you will be in crypto and you don't have a LinkedIn account, except if you're not interested in crypto jobs. So now I'll go to my LinkedIn account. I get my LinkedIn profile. You just go to your account, you make it share. You can just do like this, share. I can just share it this way. You just do this, share it here, copy, go back, paste it here. Twitter link, for those who don't know how to do that as well, you go to your Twitter profile. This is my Twitter profile. I'll share. You can do the same. Do the same. You can always save these links somewhere so that you don't need to be searching for it times of need like this. You just paste it here. Instagram profile link. Instagram. I don't really use Instagram much, but I have the account. I have like 2 of the accounts. So where's don't mind the video you're seeing there. Then we have Instagram link. It would have been easier if I just go and copy. Don't mind me, I'm not very. Okay, this is what I'll just do to make it easier. I just do this. I just go to my browser. I don't like stress. Come to your browser, instagram.com/ib collections. So once I use this link, it will definitely take me to take for yours as well. If you can't find where to get it, just do this. You can see it will take you to my page directly, so there's no point stressing yourself looking for where to get the share link. So that's it. I'll just paste it here. Handle any offline events before. Yeah, I've done lots of offline events, but it's not something I have a link for. Okay, let's leave that first. So after inputting most of these informations, you can see here, this one you even need to do a video. Please answer the following question in a video and share a link to it below. Your name, where you're from, what you like about Bitget, what is your motivation to join Bitget Ambassador Program, what you think you can contribute with if you become an ambassador, what experience you expect to get in return. So all those things, you need to do that. You need to do a video. So you should even share a link to the video below. So you can just make a video and post it on one of your handles, then you just find how applications you use to convert videos into URLs, so you can do that. So that's that for this particular stuff. Then once you're done with everything, you just submit. Just do it as early as you see this video, please, so that you can qualify for this. So how well do you understand blockchain? Try make it at least 4. If not, I don't see any point why they should employ you when you don't have good knowledge of blockchain. So I need you to be either 4 or 5, but don't just pick that. You need to work on your knowledge as well, so that you can when they even hit you with questions, you'll be able to defend yourself, so that you don't be like somebody that has a parallel but doesn't even know what is a now. So that's that, because it will make someone feel kind of stupid that you claim to be so good, but you're not even good at all. So you need to take note of that. So that's everything you need. So after that, you just submit, then you just wait for their feedback. Since they already have all your social media handles, they can contact you through any of them. So just be patient and be prayerful that you get be among the lucky person. Yeah. So thank you very much, guys. Once I come across any more opportunity, you will be my first call to make a video for. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.